Hello, good afternoon.
Afternoon, sir.
How are you?
I am fine.
Can you please tell me your name?
My name is PEMBA KHANGDU SHERPA.
Where are you from?
I am Taflijung, Nepal.
How old are you?
I am 25 years old.
Are you married or single?
I am single.
What is your religion?
I am Buddhist.
What is your academic qualification?
School level.
Do you have any bad habits like drinking or smoking?
No.
What work experience do you have?
I have I have work experience in dishwash for 2 years. Mountain hotel in Taflijung, Nepal.
Okay, why do you want to come Romania?
I am family support, better future.
How long do you want to stay in Romania?
4 years.
Do you know anybody in Romania?
No.
Okay, thank you.
Okay.